just to give everybody a little bit of background, within both the contact screen and the property screen, whenever you're in your list, you have the ability to define what columns that you want. In the upper right corner, you can click on the little hamburger menu, the three little bars, and go to layout. And then in layout, you can configure the layout. And what this does is this gives you a list of all the different fields that are capable of being put into the list. So once you've chosen what fields you want to display, you can come down here and click on Save As and give it a name. Whenever you do that, then it will show up as a drop-down item in your list. So I've got one here for import dates. You know, this is whenever we import, it will show the import date of a particular list or whatever. I've got one for birthdays and anniversaries. So I can see different names and emails, and then if they have any birthdays or anniversaries. And this list here doesn't have, the president's list doesn't have any birthdays in it, but phone numbers with tags. So depending on what you prefer, whatever task you're doing, maybe you're making some phone calls with people or whatever, and you want to see certain columns of information, you can do that as you go down the list, and or whatever you're doing, data cleanup, lots of different purposes. But because you have that power, you can go in there and select something. Basically, what I'm hearing said here is that something is preventing these from showing, and probably what we just need to know is what is the layout and what fields are being selected. And if you go in there into the configure layout and take a look at what they are, we can probably determine pretty quickly if there's a problem with any of them. One of the things that you can do in here now is search a field. So if there's certain fields that you're looking for, we recently added the mailing name field in there, so you can click on mailing name and do that. And also greeting was in there, so you can come in here and add that. And whenever you look at it, then mailing name and greeting will be in the list. So some additional capabilities for searching made it easier for us to find what fields we want.